Hi, hello, this is Vamsi. The next topic in this video is practical use implementation or code explanation. Our faculty advisor is Victor Govindaswamy from Concordia University, Chicago. Creating a queue. Navigates to SQS, create a queue in the AWS console. Depending on your needs, select FIFO or standard. Set up encryption, retention, and visibility timeout. Give manufacturers and consumers access permissions. For API connectivity, take note of the queue URL. Use the AWS CLI or SDK to verify the configuration. Sending messages via AWS CLI transmits a single messages with a delay that can be set. Custom messages attribute can be added to metadata. Batching is supported with send message batch. Logs the MD5 hash and messages ID for validation. Effective or automation and scripting. Receiving messages. Retrieves several messages simultaneously. Long polling reduces the number of blank answers. Receipt handle is included for delete, deleting messages. Avoid redundant delivery while it's visible. Perfect for application requiring bulk processing. You can see in this image how the receiving the messages. Deleting messages. After processing is successful, it must be completed. Prevent messages from being reprocessed. Performance is enhanced by deleting bench operation. Guarantees the correctness and dependability of the messages. Prevents the queue backlogs from growing. Example in Python, Boto3 SDK. Show how to send and receive messages. Able to handle errors and do bench processes. Connects to Flask apps, step functions or Lambda. Ideal for Python setups with async workflows. You can see the code in the image. Import Boto3 SQS is equals to Boto3 dot client SQS. You can see in this video image. Integration with AWS Lambda. New SQS messages have the ability to automatically trigger Lambda. Handles several messages at once. Lambda functions are scaled automatically. Removes the requirements for a specific customer code. Perfect for workflow without servers. Lowers overhead cost and infrastructure. Integrating SQS with SNS. Multiple SQS queues can receive messages published by SNS. Permits parallel consumers to use a fan-out design. Messages can be processed independently by each queue. Facilitate the system-wide distribution of notification. Ensures delivery assurance and message longevity. Handling failures in DLQ setups. When creating a queue, configuring the dead letter Q DLQ. Prior to transferring the messages, set the max receiving count for retrieves. Adds in the debugging of messages processing logic. Keeps the main queue free of inaccurate data. Keep an eye on DLQ metrics in CloudWatch. Strong systems that can withstand faults. Monitoring and metric. Import metrics through Amazon CloudWatch. Number of sent messages. The approximate number of visible messages. Estimated age of oldest messages. To identify strugglers customers, set alarms. Dashboards can be used to see through throughputs. Use the conjunction with AWS X-ray to trace messages. Cost optimization. Pricing is determining by the volume of request and data transferred. Optimize cost by employing length polling, sending and receiving tasks in the batches, deleting messages as soon as possible. Payloads are compressed whenever feasible. Utilize AWS Cost Explorer to track uses. One of the most affordable AWS services is still SQS. Thank you. We'll continue in the next video.